Welcome to this class about commercial food photography. My name is Rose. I am a photographer, videographer, and entrepreneur from the Philippines. My husband and I started our photo and video business in 2017. I was more in charge of photos, so I do a lot of events, products, and food photography. I have helped several local businesses increase sales and boost online presence through professional food and product photos. Here are some of my very recent work from my very recent photo shoots. We live in a day and time when it is harder to compete for attention online. If you are in the food business and most of your customers are online, it really pays to invest in professional and inviting food photos. If you are an aspiring photographer, then this is a great opportunity for you. There is a saying that we eat with our eyes first. The same thing is true for online buyers. They see the appetizing food photos and it affects their decision. This is why food photography is such a valuable skill, and that is what I will be sharing with you in this class. I recently did a photo shoot for a Taiwanese cafe, and we were able to capture most of the behind the scenes from this gig. So in this class, you will see me plan, prepare, and do the actual photo shoot. You will see me set up lighting, select props, style my scene, set up my gear, all of that. You will also see me edit some of my favorite photos from this photo shoot. Basically, I will share with you everything I know about commercial food photography, and you will see me actually do all of it. This class is perfect for beginner food photographers, for foodies, bloggers, for photographers who want to venture in food photography, for food business owners who want to know what happens in a food photo shoot, and absolutely anyone who wants to learn something new and exciting. You don't need a fancy camera to participate in this class. Your smartphone camera is a great way to get started, plus your hunger for new discoveries. Here are some of the edited photos from this commercial food photo shoot to give you an idea. By the end of this class, you will know exactly how I was able to capture those images. We will be covering food photography lighting setup, styling, props, backdrops, composition techniques, shooting angles, photo editing, and many more. Now if you're ready, let's get started.